In primetime news this evening, pre-Emancipation Day event in Westmoreland ends in chaos. Thieves targeting solar power equipment, why the Clarendon police are concerned. And impatience growing as communities in St. Elizabeth remain without light.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lugg.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. A little later on, we'll have the financial week.
And to give us a preview of what's to come in sports, here's Giovanni Dennis.
Well, Anthony, it's all about the Olympics. Jamaica sets a new national record in the 4x400 mixed relay. I'll have the details of that plus so much more in Primetime Sports.
Very interesting there.
Yes, exciting times ahead for track and field. And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Kalisha. Now, there is a system that is north of the Caribbean that could become a tropical cyclone over the next few hours, so we're continuing to watch it. However, it is close enough to impact weather conditions across Jamaica. I'll tell you more later.
All right, thank you very much, Romain. There's also sports coverage for E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what are your predictions for the women's 100-meter finals at the Paris Olympics tomorrow?
You can share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at tvjnews Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.